Everybody, it's your girl Kim, and I'm back again with another one. This is my haul that the walkthrough I did a couple of days ago. The day that they marked all of the aromatherapy to $440, not no $440 nothing, $495. I went in, I grabbed a lot of stuff because y'all know I love aromatherapy. So you know, your girl had to go in and grab what I could grab. Also, that same day I did a price adjustment, so I did get a little bit of credit for some of these items. It wasn't much, but a little bit goes a long way. I'm just saying. So what's up to my MVP riders? Thank you for always supporting your girl. I truly appreciate it, because you watching everything, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthrough, everything. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Let's get into this, because y'all, I got a lot of body care, and y'all know I usually don't buy a lot of body care. I usually only buy body care on semi-annual. So let's get into it. One of the first things I got was the aromatherapy. This is that rose, tangerine, and tea. Y'all know I absolutely love this scent, so I had to get it. And this is the essential oil, the roll-on. I don't know how good these are, but for the price, I said, why not try it? Why not? And I also got it in this one as well. This is the lavender mint tea. So I wanted to try this. I think the regular price is $14.50. So to get it for like $5, why not? And I think right now they already marked it down to like $3 something. So if you do want to try these products and they do still have them in the store, now is the time. Now is the time to try them. So that's the reason why I got this, because I want to try it. I have purchased this stuff like back in the day. It works okay. So I just really want to see if the formula improved. So I got the massage oil. This stuff is so good, and I most definitely wanted to grab it because I love the scent. Again, this is that rose, tangerine plus tea. So good. And I normally put this on and I pair it with the pillow mist. I don't even know if they still call it the pillow mist, but y'all know the mist. So I did grab this. The regular price of this is $18.50. Again, $5. You can't beat it. You can't beat it, especially if you just want to give this product a try. Now is the time to really try these products because they're so cheap. I also bought one bottle in the Love, which is the cacao rose. Love this scent, and I only bought one because I have like 2 other bottles, I believe. So yeah, really wanted to get this. For that price, you can't beat it. Speaking of the mist, the essential oil mist, again, I got it in the rose tangerine because I love this. And like I said, I normally will put the oil on and then I'll spray this on. Just if you want to do a massage, this most definitely help with massaging a little bit better. Or if you just want to wear the oil as a body moisturizer, you could do that too, and then spray this on for your daily scent. So this is good. I only grabbed one because I already have like 2 or 3 of these, so I only grabbed one. But I did grab another one in the cacao rose, the Love, and then I grabbed 2 in that lavender mint and tea. So I grabbed 2 of these, and the regular price is $15.50. So yeah, had to grab these. This is a must. This stuff might not come back, so why not? I couldn't believe this, y'all. Could not believe it. They had the scrub. Oh my goodness. This is a sugar body scrub in the cacao rose. Yes. Gimme. I'm just saying. This is $18.50 and they had it marked down for $5. Oh my goodness. Could not believe it. I didn't even think that they would mark these down, but again, because it's with that whole collection and the whole collection is being reduced, so yeah, they reduced these as well. And these were the only 2 in the store, and yes, I did grab them. So yeah, had to get this. Y'all already know your girl was gonna get the body wash. I ended up grabbing 4 body wash in the rose tangerine. Yes, yes, yes. Love it, love it, love it. Again, I think I mentioned this in one of my other videos, or the other 2 videos that I've been talking about this stuff. This stuff smells like Versace Bright perfume. If you have that, do the comparison. I highly think that they do. The rose and that tangerine mixed together is so good. But again, this is going away, so if you have not grabbed this, now is the time. I think they marked it down to $3.85, I believe. I got it for $5. Thinking about going to get a price adjustment, but I've been so lazy today, y'all. I don't even feel like going to the store. Regular price is $15.50. So to get it for $5 or under $5 is a steal. Y'all already know I had to grab this. I had to grab this because I love this. Out of all of them, I think this is probably my #1 because it's so close to the whipped rose latte, and y'all know I love that whipped rose latte. This is kind of similar to it, but I feel like the rose in it is a little bit sharper, and I did grab 3. I feel like the rose in this is a little bit sharper. It still have that creamy, but it's not as creamy as the whipped rose latte. I feel like this is very similar to the whipped rose. It doesn't have that sharp rose scent in it like this do. So this one, the scent of this is a little bit closer to that whipped rose latte. But I still love it. I still love it, and it's going away, so I had to grab more. And the last aromatherapy item I got is the bubble bath. I think I showed this in my last video, but I decided to grab this luxury bubble bath, and this is the lavender, mint, and tea. I really wanted the rose and tangerine one, but again, my store didn't have it. This was the last bottle, I believe. No, it wasn't. This wasn't the last bottle. But I just really wanted one because I really don't like this scent, and I really kind of grabbed this to kind of exchange. I don't think I'm gonna be able to exchange because there's none located nowhere in my area. So this will do. This is okay. Especially since this is $18.50. To get it for under $5 or right at $5, this is a steal for bubble bath. You cannot beat this price. So I'm gonna keep it. Let me see. And it actually smells really good, but I just like that rose tangerine a little bit better. And if this came in that cacao rose, I most definitely would have grabbed that as well. But it don't. So you gotta kind of deal with whatever you can find. That's how semi-annual sale go. You gotta shop different stores to find whatever it is that you're trying to find. And again, my stores only had that lavender, mint, and tea. They only had that one. For some reason, that one isn't selling real good in my area. So I don't know. Fine fragrance mist. I got the champagne toast. I don't even know why I got this, y'all. I really don't. I really don't. And I'm gonna chuck it up to packaging. I think that was the only reason why I decided to get this champagne toast, because I like the scent in the candle form more than I would actually wear the scent. But I decided to get this. I might give this to my daughter. That's probably what I'm gonna do. Probably more than likely gonna give this to my daughter, my youngest daughter. So yeah. Golden sunflower. Why did I get this? I have no clue. When stuff is so cheap, you just start grabbing. So I decided to get this golden sunflower, and the scent note is sunflower petals, orange flower, fresh vanilla. Yeah, I don't even know what this smells like. I don't even know what it smells like. So let's see. This is actually nice. Wow, it is most definitely orange, like a creamy orange. I like it. Soft powder like orange, vanilla type orange scent. That's not bad. Of course, got some on my nose. This isn't bad. I actually like this. I think I got the perfume. Didn't this come, leave in the comments, didn't this come in a perfume form? Leave that down in the comments, because this do smell familiar, and I think I have the perfume to this fragrance. If I do, then I'll get this to my daughter. I don't need both. I'm just saying. Summertime Surf. And the only reason why I bought this is because the lady that was helping me, one of the sales associates that was helping, she was super nice, and you know, she was trying to sell me an item. So I decided to just go ahead and buy it, even though I really don't need it. I got the body wash like last year, so I was really gonna pass on all of this stuff, but because she was so nice, I decided to go ahead and grab it. And then I think it was like $3 something, under $4, I believe. And it do smell good. The scent notes is vanilla breeze, sea salt, sand, and coconut. Yeah, it's nice, but this isn't something that I actually have to have. I just bought it just to be nice. I'm just saying. Then I got this for my daughter, because these were like $2. This Pure Wonder. I believe I already have Pure Wonder in the taller one. Not the perfume, but the fine fragrance in the full size. So I might just give these minis to my daughter. So I did grab that. Another fresh coconut and cotton, because I love this scent, and I really wish I could find the body wash, but my stores is completely sold out. I wanted to grab 2 more bottles of the body wash, but I should have grabbed them on the first time when I bought the other ones. I should have grabbed more of it, but I was thinking it probably wouldn't sell. I probably could come back and grab some more, but lo and behold, it was gone. Bye-bye. So I just end up with another fine fragrance mist. This, the Country Apple, because y'all know in my last video I got it looked like it was open or something, because it's a little bit low. I don't know. But I grabbed the fine fragrance mist from the last haul. I decided to grab it because y'all do know this smells like the K. Ali Juicy Apple perfume. So if you own that Juicy Apple perfume and you want either a fine fragrance mist or a body wash to go along with that fragrance, this is this is similar to that. I grabbed 2 more of the white t-shirt body wash, because I do like this, y'all. Even though I'm late to the game on this, I do like it. So I did grab 2 because it's so fresh and it's so clean, and I really like that. I really wanted more of this clean collection, but because it's semi-annual sale and now it's super cheap, everybody is buying it. So I was only able to grab 2. I could have grabbed more because the store I went to did have more. It's just that I didn't want to grab more, so I just grabbed 2. A bar soap, Fresh Getaway. It's nice. I'm not a huge fan of Bath and Body Works bar soap, but it was like $2.13, so I'll grab it for $2. Finally grab this, the Golden Ocean Pearls. This smells really good, but I should have grabbed 2 of the body wash. I didn't. I only grabbed 1. And the fine fragrance mist, I do like this. This most definitely is very soft. It's pretty. It's nice. It is nice. This doesn't come off as like a fine fragrance mist. It come off more like a perfume. It's nice. It's a soft scent. What is the scent notes in it? The scent notes is bergamot, vanilla, and amber. It's actually nice. Nice soft scent. I like it. So yeah, grab that. Now I decided to go ahead and grab this afternoon afternoon sunshine set, which is peach, apple, white wood. Wanted this, decided to go ahead and grab it. I knew I wanted to grab it, but I was waiting for the price to go down. So that's the reason why I decided to go ahead and grab it, because they lowered the price. So why not? I might go back and grab another body wash. I actually really like this scent. It is super nice. So grab this because I didn't want to miss out, because y'all know how it is. Semi-annual sale, they come out with these collections. We just buy one, we try them, and then we fall in love. I didn't want to miss out, even though I feel like I didn't grab enough, but it is what it is. I grabbed the fine fragrance mist from that collection too, the other two, which is Misty Morning, and this one is Cozy Evening. Misty Morning is Lily of the Valley, green tea, white amber. And the Cozy Evening is lavender, freesia, and musk. So grab one of these. I did not grab the body wash to these because I was somewhat on the fence about these. So I figured just grab the fine fragrance mist. I could always wear it as a body scent and then mix it or blend it or pair it with one of my perfumes. So yeah, what I want to know is why y'all didn't tell me this was so good. Why didn't y'all tell me that this is so good? This smells so good. And I did get 2 of the body wash. This is nice. This is really nice. And the scent notes is jasmine, tuberose, gardenia, pink pepper, cashmere musk. This is good. I like this. And I did grab 2 of the body wash. This is good. This is good. I like this. I like this. Oh my goodness. It just seemed like what tuberose. I think I'm just a true fan of tuberose, and I love gardenias, some gardenias, but that tuberose and that gardenia with that jasmine mixed together, oh, this is good. I know, y'all. I know I'm late. I think this came out last year, I believe, and I'm just jumping on the bandwagon this year. Why y'all didn't tell me? That's all I need to know in the comments. Why you didn't tell me that this was good? Oh, this is so good. This does not come off as like a fine fragrance mist. This most definitely come off like a perfume. I like this. I might need to grab another one before they completely sell out. Maybe grab one for my daughter. This is good. So happy I grabbed this, and I might grab another one because I like it that much. So yes, the last and final thing I got is this Island body wash for men. I got this for my son. Yeah, so this is yuzu jasmine driftwood. This is actually nice. I like this. So yeah, I grabbed only one because I think this was like $5. So I kind of wanted to wait until the price is lower, and they did lower today. It's just that I don't feel like going to the store. I really don't. So yeah, I might go to the store tomorrow or either Saturday and maybe grab him a few more things. But this one is nice. This is nice. I really wish I would have found some of the cologne, but I missed out on all of that. So yeah, that's everything. That ain't everything. My bad. This video is getting super long, so I'm gonna have to come back with part 2 of the candles and all of the other stuff that I got, which is just candles and single wicks. So part 2 will be coming. So y'all, yeah, leave that down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, hit that notification bell, and that's it. That's it. That is all I have. And I guess I will see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.